Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer radio.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Happy people.
Honey, I ready my basa power. Just a word in Akanansa pet baby, who friends and Adrian for just MC Crans and Bassa, Bino Catcher, Mama Maya Bassa, Miunium.
Middle Kawakuma to yem, meaning happy entertainment light and sound system. New you live pub and restaurant at Dinkomodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and as a parties are Hudwa. Omutimishi schedule mediation Kumania Kono, a bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Josopo.
Just say, one and that will be a very imagine a no.
Warning, Eba stage Ukradia, Wabema stage Shunku, and one happy entertainment light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say, in Yanni Papa and in Sapapa, whatever at the amount, Woman Fiakrapim, Omo Bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant. Omobema wedding no ayekiko. Hesa ni anokoma atani was.
Oh, I want my mania say.
Happy people. Gives the world and peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Ese se me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwen hu ye o.
Me do, ade wonti peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 month crèche KG primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asamre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no e de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition any care there. Wontimi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye one wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. E ho de ni amate kra ne se. Wo hwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 me kire mufra dumiempe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori ewo ekropon ekwapem. So pese woni omo kasa ewo ahomatrofo so a ananse wogi nchemu bi a frɛ number si 05058292661 and 0200177676 and 0279267523. Peace Montessori ana.
Wadom mufra keke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
I say it is well.
Achawajo enkrofo yɛ timhwamo ni ma me de besi bitan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
krachi ada wo yo hoho wo akwapem ha wonti ajapa ye construction and general merchant in Ghana eba quarry block 5 inches and another 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and another 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches tie sa wo pe abo e de asidan sa wo pe anya e de asidan sa wo pe nsuo e de akọ side another binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi ntwa ajapa ye construction and general merchant Esani se omo enema discount ewo adie bia wo betobia wo maso cement kura de enkoho water cement num ananse miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery wo betimi afra ajapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwawi na wo pe ewo track mu ananse tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrɛw ajapa ye ewo dew ekwapem wo bendel filling station no wo betimi afro mo ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 kayo sa wo ya party engagement aye anase bi biara wo ye bia wo nya live band ajapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nyom amo feel te ajapa ye live band na wo beti ni de yie abushia wo betimi afre ewo 0244 719814 ajapa ye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor for adam for
Money, oh, hey, money, oh.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer radio.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Liga Beboa. first round now. Before first round, and teams there 4 teams at that first before first round. 11 league, so there 4 matches to go. Krana and Wuni at a winning league. When we send a compare league, so I think they are competitive. And a Muedi and a Musuedi, which is senior in Kenya now. Yami support to say traditional clubs in Obia any support there. I think say and yes, say Obi
a new person on here. Well, she's an Aoba system. You know, he wants to now. He's going to take the African terrain. If he is able to advance to a certain level, then he has to think again. When at least they need some additions. Now, in football, so players who are ready to compete. Who are ready to compete.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! All right, Okoman 97.1. We are just in Okoman Global Sports here the bar. And then on the 12th of November 2021. You see November, we know you're quick a crack. Osho Brenna, as me do about pardon ko home. 110 Elfia. Agudi Musama Chegu Ghana ha manane and a face to Bibri Munina here the bar. Now, I know that the Black Stars of Ghana, Eko Jinakono, South Africa.
na ene no Ethiopia and after so Ghana and the boy ni any World Cup qualifier Africa there nanu adana ni Ghana for the national entumi ambaso esane sana Ghana for chese nkunimdie betuma call the other Black Stars of Ghana nanso no ene Ghana to me drop a vital point ekobo 1-1 ewa away ama for kasi we no asemu ya yedin the ama Black Stars esane South African so echi Zimbabwe esane kaba kwa wantumi ante entene pre no South Africa din kan 13 points Ghana abetos mienu 10 points na oshe goal difference in the same South Africa in Ghana about 2 goals entene na hu benya se kwesi ada match Ghana and South Africa bebo no I say Ghana to me South Africa about 2-0 so 2-0 na ya say you dem you qualify at the cup playoff tienie ya South Africa and just say you qualify for World Cup you go playoff and stand na ya say to qualify the World Cup entene o bompa no abobi enso no atimi the mother Black Stars of Ghana esane se kwesi ada ya crunch game ebeto jwa awo eje Cape Coast Sports Stadium 7 p.m. pe na match na tumi ahihye so entene Ghana for ya share no se betumi ahihye South Africa na just victory na tumi ade convincing win convincing victory 2 3 4 5 next day pogumsa ebere bi atwam ocha 2013 na ye de Egypt no ama for say baby kwesi ada action bomb ka be enum ekonsia na so wan say omuntumi an bana no da ocha match na den na hu ya ojiri say entwa ye game no mo tactics a coach Milovan Rajevan edeko mo no otusu say eboy anasa moa adwen kire tactics no etisen January match no hu ni say na ojiri say against South Africa kwesi ada betima qualify any baby this and come on with ha Samson the Ghana Premier League super fantastic Premier League weekend ni betuma to jwa empenyi for chirema saligi anya dia Black Stars game na be distracted no ana empon vice versa Ghana match no so na anya dia baba ha Premier League no esane say ne yentumi nkose ye jale gene dia to ne akobo Black Star game yesterday be ye table no entene penyi for say ne egopim kwasi ada league no enkoso entene 3 p.m. pepepe ye bibia ni Go Stars etna fear dance park no so ne club bia Kumasi Asante Korokwadi abo a big match in the between Atoja. Now ahead of that game, no, and Bibian Go Stars paying for it in some pop on thing. Almost we say Uko Stadium, a popular stand, and I 20 Ghana cities. Popular stand 20 Ghana cities. And I fence on the VIP, no, I have 50 Ghana cities. And tell me, I'm a question Bibian Go Stars, and I could come match, and I know if you no Uko to 20 cities, and I'm a popular stand. Now fence on one match, I have VIP, no, to have 50 Ghana cities. Ente mon kai na mon shanin so ye betena se na fensu yetume the Ghana Premier League home come on and the chances of the clubs net saying had to focus here dance betena fio baba yara saying the Nations Wembley across Sports Stadium na fensu no oni the Oja boys Adriana Stars and so etime the boy ni a big match na kwesi ada betuma toja right out fear how the details and more at the Ghana Premier League no baba but na yen kwama na ni shanin so man na samri yan famba isane sen komo fear ha the Azaka ladies and so to qualify ko PM semi-finals of African Women's Champions League ayebo Bibremhan Azaka ladies the maiden edition no qualify abo kwa ko PM the semi-finals and no that etumi Monday FC abo 2-2 so from 3 matches some boy na win mienu a draw bako and in total no nya 7 points out of 9 etumi say 8 goals e conceded 3 just a coach Isif Bazigi form no ho Evelyn Insiasa CEO the Mazaka ladies and so etumi akasa ochem say ne nya say ne Mario no so etumi qualify come nim and ye better national fans here this game no so komo ojidi say ma football na ekwe nim internet e say we say pack show emo na say kesen confirm man no courage man producer extraordinaire Jeff Ekufuboate ono see heavy na Kwame Mpere A.K.A. De Phynest amujina po mechidom Samson Gideon so you heavy Parkwesi AJ also a heavy. Questi citizen, honorable questi citizen. And also monitor show no from afar. Etin you no so. Echechoma. Ekeka dia bom say ne no mo akuse benya show ni bietie. Enti no questi citizen baby obi awie ma minchia o. Akoso for mo heavy. We no yakana krade. New akrade for so mo heavy. And a health insurance officer when you akrade musumu tie show no ma minchia mo. Ora ne din di Eric Kwame Eddie. And also no tie show no e new akrade health insurance. Sansuna Enoch nso no wakade mamincha wa wie so manya for kroboduma se for musumu tie show no wie mamima obibia ha enfam Okoman 97.1 DJ Tony DJ Zigibin so na make sure say Facebook no betima koso internet joining live on Facebook o joining live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Oh, like keep page na afis what ma say na fufro nya bia hwe. Samsung na call YouTube so Okoman Radio 97.1. Subscribe na fufro nya bi hwe. U follow ya bibia betima come on. Samsung na Twitter and so at Okoman 971. Twitter at Okoman 971. Over to me follow on hall. Samsung na Instagram and so at Okoman 971. Instagram at Okoman 971. Also follow her. Nashe Bibia Life and so her. Ewi emidi ene nana Kwame Mpere obetima frame A.K.A. Na se mejima ejasi na yesi ye take over. Waves no 97.1. The body agum na fensi etuma sore so. Weekend each say any abre. Ye kwani the weekend na mana efe. Enti Okoman Global Sports. Eni braba. Writer Ofia, writer, say be fine.
Super yaba na Friday boja.
Thank God it's Friday.
Thank God it's Friday. Yes, yes, pa. Na we can do bar fine. We can do bar fine.
We can you know, what's Monsieur Busiafo Ofie. Monsieur Busiafo.
Monsieur Busiafo.
Yeah, Miss me me yakwaraza.
Oh, me.
Enti na Busiafo be fie.
Okay.
Ana me wa ye bi ni ade a say kwawu so ho. Me kwa ye wo kwawu ni ade a. Enti the weekend you know weekend in a pack, but
wow,
you better na bibi answer na fine.
Okay.
But Oba Pefia wo ayi manfio tie show no.
Oba pa Efia. O dey say dey Oba kra wo Oba na didi mi abia.
Efia manfio tie show no.
Look at me. Yeah.
But say bibi fine.
Yes, yaba selection here can be. Yes, yaba na power na yaba, but only bibi. And you be real show na. You dey play bibi to so.
Hey,
me real local na. You be chade.
Chade nana.
I don't know go Facebook. No mo search Okoman 97.1 flight netu. You person you mu tubom. The person obia you be to ejo obia no jagaze.
It's
Facebook come on call Ziggy. Who is this player? Ziggy Fatos answer. Player be nie. Yes, into bar Facebook. Now I drop it a dinner dia tour. Woni pakona. I'm going to tell you things. Ayezo. Who player no? Player no Ziggy de Toso. Who is this player? Yes. A two player we are. Oba Ziggy player no be to me na Toso sa. Who is this player?
Who is this player?
A two player we to me. Who say obu be to me aka say A.K.A.
Obi Cristiano Ronaldo.
Who player we? Who to me try? Who to me try? I know be obe drop a comment in the first no. Yes, and I check the be kwama no. Tino.
Right now only my Akosia Iniesta.
Mami Giano.
I don't even know.
We need to focus.
I said right up more fire.
Oh, okay. Hey, idea we see about we did about media too.
I said right up more fire.
I'm off with new.
But Mami Chia, CEO Edema for Enterprise.
Okay.
Ohene Safari.
Okay.
Ohene Safari. Biemu. Udu for Enterprise. I said a beer so anymore. Be at the Okoman 97.1. And you know Ohene Safari. CEO Edema for Enterprise. And I feel Nakro Life.
Okay.
My Hintiano heavy. Now I feel to mommy.
Okay.
Mommy so
mommy
brutal. Do Pentecost church the opposite Pepper Sport.
Don't famine call.
Oh, your point be call. Your point be call.
Mommy minimo, but yes, I Jaco see next yes, I've now seen that comment.
Let me tell Akosi of Akosian San.
Akosi of Akosian San. Yes. Mommy a guy. Young lady.
All photo no so no. Me for credit to Emma Nana Damia.
Nana Damia.
Me for credit to man. Nana the try me sa no.
Okay. You see
you see like.
Yeah, so yeah, they are two, but sharing on my mouth for your fast.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Two ban wash here, but yeah, the plan it to so be obey you will give that person something. You give that person
me MP, member of parliament.
Super confess MP
member of parliament.
Wow, Eddie so be baby I'm confessing. Yes, but and so I can afford almost start a calculation, no, and run and that calculation may come be. Yes.
Yes, you see bit my
yes. Oh,
general mosquito.
As I'm okay.
General bit my calculation am I?
Yes, but and right bear say nipa 5 and an age na trade so blackboard no more calculation. Yes, bro. Oh, Ziggy fa ba kono to na blackboard na nipa miensa ne enaye du aye yi no.
Na when ya general there no.
Ube hu mo o Calvi.
Calculation no.
Yes. No. Yes. Now, so calculate. The calculator first, and so on. To calculate here now. You know. Any plan also. The best 5.
Blasters game against South Africa.
Against South Africa, Pepe no.
Calculation no.
Calculation pen no. Super.
Hey.
Sure. I will see. Don't see.
Calculator number.
Calculator no. Or the ato. I know that Sigma F when some fan to be. Hey, super yezo. Enye share. I know but we can qualify. We can qualify.
Madrid is such yaw.
Madrid giant.
Yeah.
We say that they view you. Hey, you see so. Boom. Yes. Calculation no. We pi sigma into bracket
X minus
raised to power.
Masa.
Super. I don't know.
Working on my answer. No.
Yes, answer.
No. Black Stars. Yes, calculation. I find the
yes, I find the back calculation. Yes, to come up. Yeah. Brigo. Now. Do we? We tell you advance.
Mami was Belinda of Paris.
Belinda of Paris.
Mami was saying happy birthday.
Okay.
And then Belinda of Paris or my mate secondary school.
Okay.
And Belinda of Paris it was a Cassie family nina. Yes, here we show happy birthday.
Okay.
And me I do for Belinda of Paris me penasa pa no NS ni. And Belinda of Paris it was a Cassie family 2014 for nina. Yes, here we show happy birthday. Yankubo show. No you can see Okoman Global Sports. Yes, we show happy birthday. And right Obre need to 20
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Yeti wadoka mwa Nije kamwa Yeti ereshe mwa Yeti wadoka mwa Nije kamwa
Right, Anthony, writer. Obrain. Me who say comment ne ba.
By to ko Facebook. Yes, no mo search Okoman radio flight ne 2. Yes, omni en 2 pe na bibia so no. Entumi ankon kan tine ye the picture number 2. Zig the picture number 2. Into player now sha eye the dino na de ase ho. Na ye na bia so netumi akọ edu ba menko. Okay, me yafa ye fi samantua so e wojubedi so information etie family so Okoman radio 97.1 FM flight into Sanas 1 join flight no na sekoye ble goberga na so hye so aba koma so no enya fedia grand samne dross ya boabo no se Pythagoras to wo fia no atobo ase na waye ya na yes so kat white free santico patient and the pencotiasis in the stars and samne dross so medino at the writer comment ntete basa se how the Ghana Premier League week ya 3 nyame adomande sase 3 p.m. bobo kwa din at go stars aba tena fie no crowd ya kumasi asante koroko at the arena time so theater of dreams empire na Edra dreams of sin any Accra Lions bearing time so Lagos City any Accra Great Olympics oli gbogbo limashi oli Juju oli Rosalenda yes oli Okoman and at bearing time so Accra Sports Stadium Sunday out here and West Africa Football Academy Bechem United aba tena fie ni Almina Sha the arena time so South Show and Carolina United abaton sa the Afre Brekum Chelsea bubu kwa din at the 11 Waters and the Diamond Sporting Club so and King Foisa and your Bokes ya Shanti go na big game no obia hwenim ewo Accra Sports Stadium bubu kwa din at the Glorious Accra Folk and Adriana Stars and at the same time so after week 2 say and Ghana Premier League table no HC at bubu kwa din at the Krobia Kumasi Asante ko ready kan 6 points so and King Foisa 6 points Accra Great Olympics 4 points Lagos City 4 points na Krofua wo call relegation so in the Ghana Premier League after day 2 no and on the West Africa Football Academy Wafa 1 point or the 16th position South Zone Adriana Stars 1 point 17th position and the Diamond Sporting Club wo 1 point 18th position and the game no aka just 1 hour let's say 30 minutes na bobo kwa tini be bieni Gold Stars and Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko at the arena senmu and akopemba fans ebunchem wo so mazako Facebook Obo says Ziggy the toss of fans of Babiani Gold Stars. Ebie pentu am ho green, blue, white. Ana eya jinya mini name wa anti anon komos no. Anya fedia ko fans na kasa send the game no. Yes, Babiani Gold Stars fans no. Send the game no. Wosha enya fedia gro edenya. Krobia Kumasi Asante ko. Omanya yikra no mendino nenya bako anase mienu.
The Mihuni and then Molana Osro because of match, easy. Kwabia Kumasa Santa Kotoko, a team Kase, Wababa Toewa. If you say Division 1, the Boche, Namolan, Idia would have been Pempeswano, and then Sanquay Makadi, over being idiot at Ajini Posua. And match no more time, and easy sound from my by the bit my bia. Kotokonetim Katua, only Missia, that's all one way. Yes, we are one way, a day train, intimidation, an idea. Sam Koko see me, Sanity, then Go Stars there. The Padia, born a bit my one name. Go Stars. Esi, game me there. The meme say one for one Takwano. Say for ne ko bon Takwano. Say me say ne na Friday na year board ya. Me say ba amis. You 2-0 there. Go Stars. E be pick point. Oh, motivation no, our supporters no ewo. Players no so ewo. Even for technical team no be bia ekoso. Me say football no. But be do see ane there. We are moving forward. E say be say achieve because kotoko match no. You wie kotoko match na you wie match bia. You so bia so.
Enti Molano what part no baby any go fast again Molano
yeah Molano
you take a
Molano
Mulana. The Mihuni and then Molana Osro because of match, easy. Kwabia Kumasa Santa Kotoko, Ihuni and then Molana Osro because of and then Molana Osro because of match, Ihuni and then Molana Osro because of match, easy. Kwabia Kumasa Santa Kotoko, a team Kase, Wababa Toewa. If you say Division 1, the Boche, Namolana, Idia would have been.
Yes, Molano,
and then Bibiani goes
Molano Osro. Morana Bola.
What are we saying?
And on Friday, we be to miss you show so
here to miss
it, you know. So be here in us a year, that's a tough one, Mola. Intiano and Como and Kaisano so as a game no at 3 p.m. ɛwɔ ɛyɛ baby any goal stars run bearing time so a come some ɛnyɛ Fediagro fee ɛyɛ Ghana Premier League na nkonko pie mu ɛwɔ the CAF Women's Champions League androa Bobo Kwantini Azakes ladies ɛne ɛyɛ Wadi the Digla Edwin time so game no ɛkɔyɛ 2-2 after 3 matches play Azakes ladies etumi enya 7 points South na Bobo Kwantini ɛde Malabo Kings enya 4 points the Bobo Kwantini ɛde Azakes ladies ɛne Molaba Kings yes ometumi qualify ɛrekɔ the semi-final of the next stage ɛwɔ the CAF Women's Champions League wɔn ɛhwɛ ɛsɛ team sami bɛbɔ so Azakes ladies ɔmo bia betumi ahyia Momelady Sanders FC omni eye the Hingi Kings ebetumi arentam so ena as far enti Damian Sawe no obi obenya bia no come so no enye Fediagro anmo ena head coach already Mr. Yusuf Bazigi yes enti no A.K.A Yusuf Bazigi orden koma akradia by so ka che Ghana fo bia say game no mne eye Bobo Kwante Edward fo ne koboy no game na no orden eluade tudwa game ne dia elu na on coach di comos this game is going to be a fantastic game a nicest game already Mr. Yusuf and come on in here.
Well, I will say that I anticipated that we were going to have a very difficult match because I remember the coach told me, their coach, he told me the game is going to be a very good game. It means that we have studied how we play, and for that matter, they have to also strategize against our team. Then I told my players not to be complacent, because our opponents also have the opportunity to qualify. And for that matter, we have to play all out so that we'll be able to qualify. And in fact, I will respect the Egyptian team because they played very well, very, very tactical. But as a result of the experience and the determination of my players, of course, we have to do all that we could to qualify.
And the way Anna Kubakurati are coach Yusuf Baziki Odiaba, you have the Emmas and a tea for Koroko, Womani Bobo Kwati, Ade a Go Stars, line up in here, Tieni Pamame, Razak Abelo Wande, one on our captain team, no, is answer Abdul Ganium, Echo Blasters, yes, or national duty, Christopher Netty, Patrick Asma, my Abrantia Dean, Ade Andrews Appeal, Tieni Pamame, Andrews Appeal. Maxwell Ajimai mebeka wase se Maxwell Ajimai obetumi evrem Abrante Richard Bodu Agadas Mudasiru Salifu Richmond Lamte Fabio Gama forward nie Isaac Kopon ene Samuel Boate enti ano ene Bobo Kwati are Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko one lineup against Bobo Kwati ade eye bebie ni Gold Stars on come so no enya Fediagro changes abem enti no eba na ye de ama generative na bia so no etumi akonkan ewo no radin ade coach Yusuf esa de tudwa esa yes wo hwa na match no so very difficult but omo matches semi final no ma bowura no wo mo ehwe esa nyame adoma 3 teams wo mo eye group B no obi aye tough but omo underrate obi obebe bia no omechina bo no passion enti yahwe esa yensabetu yakowura din are Mr. Yusuf Bazigi and Naviasono etu yakonkan.
Thank you very much. I would say that yes, we didn't start very well in the first half. Second half, we had to deploy a different tactics, which is to hold on to the ball and then we play. Because we were also playing to their pattern, they were taking and following, and we also doing the same. The second half, we have to circulate the ball around before we attack, which yielded a good result for us. Coming to the next game, which is the semi-finals, 2 of my key players didn't play today for 1 or 2 reasons, which of course they'll be ready for the semi-finals. And you know, when you work around certain players and you lose at least 2 of them, you have defects on your team. So no matter how the opponent would map up a strategy against my team, I will also find an antidote because I always have my plan B, and I will also be able to overcome my opponent. When it's ready, I'm also ready because I've seen them play at least on the telly. I watch them, and I've seen that Group E, all the 3 clubs are doing very well, and for that matter, it's a matter of also planning towards them and then find a way out. So I'm ready for any of them.
And the way Okoman Akwaaba coach Yusuf Vasiki, head coach Herma Zakes Lady Sodia Ba, the imaginative Fandra, Ghana, Yani Ethiopia game in Akoya 1-1 South Africa. Bobo kwa didi Zambia akaba akwa mwentume sima na braka isia table ni South Africa 13 point plus 5 goals, Ghana 10 points plus 3 goals, Ethiopia 4 points, Zimbabwe 1 point. Sunday our Cape Coast Sports Stadium 7 p.m. The Blasters of Ghana and South Africa must win at least 2 goals to qualify. The coach Milovan Rajvac okase bi mo and the translator no so actually trim kakran command name or say o share game na game way man the strate boys no money attention wo Sunday game no mo omu unique cry and call say wo mo ebo last game against South Africa no mo show mo no to me qualifying game na dia omu ma game way and to mo da.
Pa dobro, sigurno jeste, međutim opet kažem imamo vađenje, imamo sve zavisi od nas, tako da nam ne umanjuje toliko, međutim kažem imali smo mnogo šansi, prvo vreme toliko šansi, slabo dajemo golove, tako da kažem, ali sad zadnju utakmicu morat ćemo sa 2 više gola da dobijemo utakmicu da bi išli na sve skupa.
Of course, it disrupted us a little bit, but we have to forget this as quickly as possible because we have the crucial match on Sunday. For us, it's important to concentrate now for this match and to get what it takes, in order to win. Whatever happened today, even if we won today, we would have needed to win in the last match. So definitely, last match is the crucial one. So we have to give our best to rely our troops and deliver a good performance and get this place in the playoffs.
The coach Milo no ukopima bobo kwa tini ebusha drafts kwahwe enromo your villain our Cape Coast Sports Stadium on villain here guy who share a team now. This is their first time one unveiling. Wow. For the first time for mysterious abon trambo to ebusha drafts. Okwa Facebook ya zigidi omo pictures ne beto so pictures ni guy team panie ano mo relegation ade ya nti ano come on so ano no nyame atoma A.K.A First Lady Cup 12 December 2021 Azekes Ladies versus Ampemdankwa Ladies across Sports Stadium. Wow. Yes, and at 4 p.m. game no bet me atodwa ewo ho no nti no no come ade asa okay no asa nti no no come aso no say mama ye boys no monitor show no from afar nti yentro bia o monitor show no from afar nti me shroko Facebook zigi fa picture na to so mama player be nie corner drop your comments no utmi
Azakes Ladies for
yes Azakes Ladies ne Ampemdankwa we no yes nti no and First Lady Cup nti no player be nie yes ye bisa player be nie former player Osiakan edema abobo kwa ndini AO nti no hwano team be no Siakan ma nti no na nyame atoma Sunday ewo Liberty Arena enu nie Nana Kweku 11 versus Pablo 11 and on the rain time so Nana Kweku 11 versus Pablo 11 Pablo 11 on the rain time so boys no Pablo 11 in Abrante Adin Ede DJ Mensa Bobby Abrante Eben Pascal Koshi Ta Abrante Adin Ede Giroud Pablo Nagasa Bobby Kante Shakiri Kwame Yogurt yes and omo champion defender Kofi and Abrante Adin Ede T senior T wono ne yomu coach and Akwesi striker and Pablo 11 no na Kweku dia ne nkokrafo no nie says na Kweku no nkokrafo no eno nie Abrante Adin Ede Jeff etinambi Titi Ochapa ono so bebobi Danilo your friend Rudiger wono so bebobi Abrante Adin Ukechukwu Nigeria ni a wabagana ono no yes is not yes Ukechukwu Bobby saso na Datin your friend Joe or a very fantastic player or Kata and wabagana ntino Joe Chinembi Selassie your friend Zidane Ebebobi Abrante Adin Eddie Roland, champion striker, very deadly striker, baby. And a brand and Eddie Pasolo. Where's that? Oh no, yeah, sometimes yes, Pasolo. One switch name be striker and to about 2 strikers. Pasolo and Roland Yamiaduma and Anakweku 11 versus Pablo 11 Sunday Liberty Sports Arena 3 p.m. And yet 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. And you know, okay, I don't know the writer commentator. Yeah, the central player ban no drop a comment. Now Biasono into me and conquer Sana Yano. Now Biaso it's my baby. I'm on telephone from afar. Yes, a fantastic good afternoon. Uncle Enfamai, Fama, and Tinyawa, and K. Mamicha Oche, Namicha Branti and Edin. Boys in brief from the cry. Okay, Memphis na yan sorry. Continue. You be so be read the comments no show bia the comment in the bar first na you say if is in the right direction then you give that actually to the person.
Okay.
Oh, you see.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. All right, and you know writer. And I'm telling you say no system no. And also etimi ede aba fantastic. Noted bits such as a presentation and a branch and the writer. And so it's me at the Abba. Hey. We must say, I see MPs and almost corner idea. Oh, yeah, man, we'll be busy. I say, MPs and no corner idea. Some. But I make on Facebook. Now, for so no, make kind comments, kaka. And also, no, it's me Abba. Hono. Okay. Enoka Trump, I say, do the needful. I say, me bra pen, no, a chama dear. Oh, I children says, there. Also, monitor show from afar on my moral support, no, young coupon, and so no, in Shannon. Now, Kwame Safro, I say, Mohammed Polo. Picture, no, I say, Mohammed Polo. Yes, on actually, wait, Mildred, Jan, I say, go higher, baby Solomon, I say, we guess no. Omu chicha ne adia. We guess ni chicha. Nana Kofi free. I said listening to you live from Mampone Kwapem. Keep the good work up. Indeed, Okoman Radio has come to stay and the best in the East now. Go higher, Okoman Radio. For Kwapman is behind you. Nana Kofi free. And so to me, I did Nediaba. Eyasem. Yenshana Yankan wins to Enfio. I say, Nana Kofi free. I say, that's Mohammed Polo. Yeah, that's Mohammed Polo. And also, Etimi Adenediaba. Anna, Bright Epstein. And also, Adenediaba. I say, big greetings to Brewer Special. Okay, I'm watching. I say, okay, I'm watching you live. Bro, there's a Bright Epstein. No, bro, I see you. I say, Bright is it? Mohammed Polo. I say, Mohammed Polo. And also, Etimi Adena Jane. And so, Etimi the Abba. And a picture of the day, and so, you know, fine. But could be a me who be a fa. Right, I'm sure I'm be Hana. Mean so mean to me, and kind for a idiot. Right, a wapagina papa video and my and I Yanshana. But I be your fourth, yeah. Russia na Edin Komoko game no at 3 p.m. against Amokwa Way. Our dance park now. I'm also at me and BB and Go Stars. And so no at me abo Ebedin Komoko. Black Stars of Ghana. Ekwa Way any Ethiopia at the boy. Ebe chicken komo. And so no fear. But wait me drop your comment. And so no Facebook. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1 L Facebook. Now I drop your comment. And so L ho. Sansona YouTube. And so no Okoman Radio 97.1. Also the twat. Bibi and so no. Ebetimi aye kama. Twitter at Okoman 971. Twitter at Okoman 971. Also bet me that one up on Instagram. And so at Okoman 971. But we Mame will say okay. Mame will say Reverend Dr. Solomon Sulesa. Reverend Dr. Solomon Sulesa. I know a former Presbytery chairperson at the Northern region. Mame will say happy birthday. And then birthday. We if you nana kufia free your home. Also we say Reverend Dr. Solomon Sulesa, former Presbytery chairman and a chairperson at the Northern region. We say happy birthday, Papa. Nyankopon shot na onfan fi bebre enka onfe ho na onye okese enso ewo ho entino na agovi ba le me ko mo fi abejafo ha na ma abejafo Akwaaba abejafo bi fine
okay bi fine be kama
pa fresh
Diamond man Adi bi sheyi
oh yeah guy
Diamond
bi a wacho chala to no ata America da home
Asrema de what was so Asrema tutu ni ade nti ase o cheche won ase
ana bibi kakra
oh eki na wana me ka kire won
Chelsea ni ase ayi
o Asrema de tutu ni ade ase o cheche won ase ade
masa ye ko amatanti insuo ento da ye kan say season 20 ana yongu sunsu
wa chira ka che obi an to chew
yenti atade mintimi nhyem madwuma no medu ana nyina
obi ya send message o see two che no
nhwe wani ege na tenje
o message
o de ju chew no
oh manim zigibi aye bibia o de car na to manim nti oh manim ayina na beba
fine man
ege
senior duty
okay
ay papa na o so magisi o se friend say
oh Mr. Beku
yeah inja Mr. Beku o metedi senior high ana kan say man figure so inja na
oh da me ka che no say obeba o say wunti o ba shada ba na package ndi e wo nti no nsuro nice package ege
ay adam for so papa do
amajamia me ba yo tie o
amajamia
ojamia
no so no owo former
Donkin yeah former Donkin
we ana yeshoboyi
obi ana yeshoboyi
ono pamado container
ono pamado container no duwa am me ba tie o den
ono ye madam
oh yeah ono ye madam
ono ne ba na small girl
okay we ne ba no so won
oh that be say
oh okay we hard
oh that be am me fa me hu say
we ne ba no kuya wo hu ne ba no
oh that be na be
okay we hard
oh nya me hard
ba okay unum
what's your friend
amajamia
yeah oh okay I think
follow show there be
if you are them beko
ya beko ege
we say me confirm you say or no
oh no yanti ya point ya befa ege asa na beko nsiansa nkoma udu abwasa marketa echiwa un say sister pamade wo aye madam Pat on ne ma no ana sister ba ko nso wo nchen Mary wo nso wo yeti udu wo mo abue mu deja
girls na biem
deja un say wotie Okoman FM into nchia enkoma won wa wo ni na because we show no ma source wo bebre but we should have one radio station and I say radio station radio ba ko pe siwa
ono de am store ba ko na wa biem obi Okoman disturb e bia
udu agbasa market chiwa sister Part ne sister ba ko nso siesie eye ayon ni ade ona tape no esini side wo ani wa buem ho am obi atie ntino nchia enkoma won nti awo so wa ya de say what on Okoman na afi yam da ahimburum aye maame guro
yeah ben ko fa bi mira na
ben guro si abrawo o si abrawo nti abra
welcome say be
fine
okay you made in komo ofie and then you hwe foreign adults and you komo ofie Black Stars na ko ball game against Ethiopia nanka Ghana for yeshe sanka victory but unfortunately Yetimi ball 1-1. Still, hope or to be winning at least by 2-0 against South Africa. Now Yetimi a qualify na BBI fine. But fresh, my mission game no against Ethiopia. And I face now chances going into a game against South Africa because Ochina Nyakwa and game now sent you funding in Shimna.
Okay,
give me Sunday.
A.K.A my main cheer for an eye area in Aminchia Brantia and the Anas or Arsenal OTA show no life. Also tie show no na oda Okoman for ase A.K.A Ghana your chances say betimi qualify na say intimi no I think say now it depending on my Ghana your team now because o share baby atu na A.K.A I think say enra na ye mu bebre ahwe no say maybe South Africa betimi a share more goals by now I near my intimi ankɔ South Africa etimi nya just a goal na I think say Ghana now ejina so your destiny ewo nsam because South Africa ebo home against Zimbabwe matimi anya just a goal now ama akwese say Ghana ye hia just a goal and I say win bia ada say be win 2-1 3-2 4-3 ni be win bia no A.K.A I think say Ghana etimi qualify for the next round no but we hope say guys no betimi aye by one problems are Ghana yeta nya wo matches na ya bonum ne se ohwe ekwan enura day game a ye ne oman ne din ready Ethiopia the boss no ohwe first half of the game na Ghana ye dia and yes kwanda chances ni nyina ohwe chances etimi ba game num in the first 45 minutes na I think say etimi ye niam yi a anka yetimi enya ye kan say resource ebetimi aboayen enkoye say ne ye mathematics e dey ahwe say mpo e betimi qualify enti wo hwe that game na ye second half no na very poor because second half after 45 minutes na ye ba second department of the game no wo hwe ekwan Ghana players no wo hwe ahokeka the core game no AK na ofam pai enti I think say going into Sunday's game ayene South Africa ebebo e wo hanom no South Africa dey betimi ashom by problem I me want say maybe ahopepre bi ankoba a team nimu a because wo hwe the way guys no esi aka na I think say ball na akoye say minya e wo say me she go no by ye de anu ye team a en shedan ye sa enti say coach ne boys need to make us ye na yetimi to niam ye enya abotre ema game no na no me hwe game bi wo hwe kotoko na no game na omo na utum say after say na kotoko go cry my no still no mo warehemu ni omo ball no kumase no no mo warehemu say go no be den ebeba enti wo hwe how omo planning niam coach ni nya abotre na lately game no goals ni timi buy na I think say now no sabi na Black Stars ye hia wom I say nya abotre ma game no now every win be to me the Ghana call the next stage enti now ye hia win keke na enko say bia ye hia more goals na yetimi e dey qualify for the next stage, you know. I think say was say Rantia no eto ombo na coach no so ni omo kasa yi interpreter no so I was say otumi ye na adwuma yi because now coach ni obeka dey nya dey boys ne beti agi say enam ni interpreter no so ansa na boys ne be den ebehu ensama coach ne eka enti now a ekwan edamu say Ghana ni e was say ye ne say yetimi esha against South Africa ye ni bibia ye dan say kwasiara 7 p.m. Cape Coast Sports Stadium no you betimi winning against Oman team at South Africa. Enti going into this game no I think say now your destiny yan yansam enti me expect guys and say betimi atom obo game nim and na yanu akosi deda you nini nua Jordan so dodo I think say guys no ye po they move we ko Qatar A.K.A ye po Ghana e no modern ho. And I don't think say the problem with the Black Stars no the day ni nuan nkwa ene the Black Stars your problem no e kan say Ghana yen so your quality na say e wo ho no and shedan yet say 2006 eba no enti yen fa blame en command the day ni nua Jordan enra Jordan ye om say wanya go but the day enya ni go edman enti in case say the day enya ni go na say obi so ntimi enya bia nka ho a eni say ebo the day no so bo bebre fine wom say yesi aka do baby na say enkoyi a maybe ni expect say betimi ayi ada say omumienu ba kon afrim na ya ma ofoforo kwan but now me no ka say eke me nkwa ma adwemu no wo hwe Jordan ball na yen hye da nya striker bia na say forward bia obetimi abetu Jordan me no ka say me hye da enya striker bia enti more times no e wo say yeto yabo na Ghana ye nyina nya ya na nke World Cup ne obi but sanso na Africa other countries no so atoto omuniam ayi because emri bi atwam na nke ebo abibrem hanom teams enim ball na countries ball a Ghana yedin ba bebre but now no because ye niam bi a ye ntoto ne yiye eno kan obi na ma Ghana e modern born aiden abafam ayese Ghana de tournament ne du so a ne ayese ye kwa akwaje by ahusesi na say preparations ayebeye ansa na yetumi di akọ tournament na man kunimdi aba no eke yenye sa ne ma ni nyina by nya du so a ne akope coach bi ne ase ye ma na $300,000 na utumi ye magic e de ekwa na ya man bonus e de account which means yenye sa na e wo se ne ma ne ko enti na nka ye ni Ethiopia nka me bi atwa Ethiopia ye country bi a Ghana ne omko bobo a ne wo sanka Ethiopia afi Addis Ababa akopiem South Africa ekobon home ho na Ghana ye draw but now ball wanim anase kwa nanim se say football ba bi edu no 1 to 2 niam aye te se na Ghana yan ya adwen se be ball ni yie no saa na be kon enti now ye hwenim kwasiada say boys no omonto omobo ema game no ye hia just a win to qualify to the next stage na me ware hwemu say AK coach when one go be there otumishe na players ni tie interest AK ade ba ko ne say ya boro say nyame be anase ye mompai no sisi abo no eye tactics a wo bo ye ko bompai de dabi eno de saa de no bi abompai ni bi nti ya sensan ne ma no say oh nyame ya adoma coach bo tactics ni ehun say wo boni say na so opponent no counter na wonso wa penny obetimi aden e dia counter na niam atimi akoyie dia ma wo enti say nyame adom ne dia eke nyame wo ho ma obia enti ye hwe ni say kwesiara coach no so ebe tutu niam ayi but one of the problems are Black Stars ye face eye chire ho no no I think say was say tutu niam ayi talking about Edu ne amate no I think say as a combination na koyi AK minim say Jiku obeba this match.
Jiku ka squad no.
Okay, and wa seven na suspension na wi and me expect say guy no ebetimi aba. Into one hwa na say Saturday amate kobo Sunday amate kobo right back ni biemu ana say Jiku ba pe.
Cheni coach no.
But I think say amate ball right back there AK. Amate say be problem kakra man. See ni right back papa o say ekope bi. You need be papa. Oh, guy ne dia eke. Andy for there. Fine. Ye nyina preach. Andy Yadom the boat. Eke. Ye nyina preach say ye pe local guys ni bi. Our national team no. Intimidation ne dia. Ye hwe no say Mrantian. Wo be nya kwanya ni bia kwasi ada no. Eke. You don't ho na Ghana franc ano. Ye ntimi raising high. Eke.
All right, I know Papa Fresh and I'm saying in Kano saying on so to me I didn't know the same about still on Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports and we Utieno Journey live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 obi to me I like your page you know o share na fin so no or comment about sounds on YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 also subscribe na fin so no follow our Twitter at Okoman 971 Twitter at Okoman 971 also be to me a follow you na Instagram and so no at Okoman 971 oh nyina obi to me a drop your comment na bibia so no at me akoso WhatsApp SMS or the bar 0551 667755 0551 667755 or obi to me drop it WhatsApp messages na fin so no SMS sansona or the fast 0270 191971 0270 191971 also ubetimi ade messages no and so etimi afa senior my Joe comment our Black Stars game no and I think going into the South Africa's game on Sunday
A.K.A before measures no next man fenchia amma ejuma for first class beauty salon na am say we intimidate me refa kwanya nso dinchia am ejuma for first class salon nyina enna madi nyina Mami Grace was stitches scooter I'm say I can no form kakra me wishing a very speedy recovery Mami Grace me din chiarema me wish you speedy recovery won abuem one in nuanum nyina was stitches A.K.A mami call game no so Indra I felt a bit disappointed no carry there about kope o hwe game your boy of fine idi kan I don't know what really happened. Meaning say na fatigue, say dengue, na players no a brave you say that I just don't really know. But as a second half no, yeah a bit relaxed kakra. Emma Ethiopia for no meaning say wonya extra motivation be from baby. Day because nanka say they don't have anything to lose in this game, you know. For them to come up in the second half, I remember one so pressure I felt very disappointed. Them say players be in one day and drop and you know and man but whichever way around they win it and drop and can still the game will go down to the wire because they win it and can still bear a difference of point and we'll still have our destiny in our own hands and say and they are against South Africa Nkwafo say it's so kind of a difficult game. Okay, fine. It looks difficult because since it has a pressure so our destiny is in our own hands. We need to carry the game and win. BBA no better I qualify to the next stage than win. But me wo GD Warishimu say whenever it comes to the needful, the urgent near here, the country Ghana deliver. First time I call World Cup, that was 2006, right? Now it was a tiebreaker between Yen and South Africa. So okay, Yakobo last round of matches was South Africa. South Africa na apia num jina won nanso na esien nom ye hye won 2 ewo ho esien nom Matthew Amu anom Stephen Apia Sule num South Africa na John Mensah num jina won nanso ye hye won 2 ye ba back ye be hwe 2014 when we were supposed to qualify for World Cup in Egypt.
Yeah.
Now it was a difficult game. Sometimes no be feel say it was going to be a difficult game, but I think say we rose high and then we qualified. Until South Africa will be very stubborn, be a very difficult opponent to crack, but I'm trusting my country Ghana. Say we would be able to win. I'm saying a winner, any form of win, Biano will be able to qualify us. But maybe a clean win. See, better we need more than 1 goal. At least I know be put here on the safer side because as it stands now, I don't really know whether it's going to be head to head or goal difference or whatever when the tie when there's a tie with points. Until whichever way around, say head to head that you will need 2 goals with 2 clear goal difference and we will qualify. But say a tiebreaker with goals near there, you will know with any whichever win behind will qualify. But yet the needful because nobody thought say Ethiopia for better 1 game there for South Africa to go and play there. May you're very sure say if we had played that game anywhere aside South Africa would have won. So what I say, but say football in Yame woman goes beyond the normal playing on the field. Okay, and you know, let's take our own destiny into our own hands and do our best.
Mami can say I'm running.
Yeah, can I?
I'll say when matches are played in accordance with format A or B above, home matches may not be played in other country without the express permission. Okay, and here 6. Now see in a league format, the ranking in each group is determined as follows: A, greatest number of points obtained in all group matches.
Okay.
B, goal difference in all group matches. C, greatest number of goals scored in all group matches.
Okay.
And I'll say if 2 or more teams are equal on the basis of the above 3 criteria, their rankings shall be determined as follows. That's the greatest number of points obtained in the group matches between the teams concerned.
Okay.
Let's say between Ghana and
South Africa. We know Ocean, not just a head to head doesn't come in.
Yes.
Okay.
And also goal difference resulting from the group matches between the teams concerned.
Goal difference.
Let's say between Ghana
and currently we should goal difference.
South Africa 5. Ghana 3. Difference in 2.
Into Siena even single goal.
Still very difference 1.
The record for South Africa 4, but goals for no.
We
might have scored 7 goals against South Africa 6. So
we qualify. Until
many clarification properly. So say they lose clearer. Sorry, say all what we need is any form of win. And me sure say against me South Africa would against me win the game we. No, we will win this game whichever way around. And I trust my country Ghana say. When it gets to the needful, now you hear the team to deliver. Me sure say the boys need it more than us because your playing mates outside Europe there will come for the World Cup. Until one will hear they need it because it builds their pedigree. Say we a player, what World Cup? I'll say the greatest achievement that is ever achieved in life is to play in the World Cup. And play a beer dream, they say, a World Cup. Into one player, it will brighten their CV. They need it more than we, the supporters, because at the end of the day, we don't get anything that much. When you want per DM, they want to build one CV. They say, World Cup, we do quarterfinals, we do how. And to me, sure say, players need here young supporters, and I'm trusting them. Say they will be able to go and deliver come Sunday.
All right, I know. Kwame Mpere Ana ade na lisem etimi abana reporter Minsaka in Koroko bibia ni Go Stars game no e chance fans na clash kakra but them say is asumyaba oze
ewo you can say
Ashanti region it when Ashanti derby
I Go Stars. And I say local bisa, local and the other one.
But
I say we be anywhere prestige aside.
Supporters see the 25%. 25%. But I think say Asumyaba, we are fine. Any report.
But I game no Senegal review.
Oh, send a normal West African referee.
Normal.
Oh, normal.
Okay.
They are highly professional referees. So say, I mean, you're going in Bebre African. So although you have few lapses, but you're going in. So if a referee no be a professional FIFA or referee, ala World Cup cry invite you into all metanishing image how. When they know say everybody is watching that game, a bone of contention. Obia ni was that game. Mana begun when mas since young fire destiny share some young fire nin koto referee bia so say na Senegal na pesa Ghana qualify because Senegal no crown no young person be share Ghana.
I mean, go Facebook and I mean messages. Bright Epstein, I say, Kwame, you people should pass by after the show for free writing. Okay. McQuincy, Sazi, Prince, also great show, A.K.A. Yanda also as I say, monitor show no. Success, Kai, Twisha highest. Let's say catch. I was blocked on FB, but I'm marked like on row. Kavya Santia, so they need the abba. Success, also Ghana 1, South Africa 1, correct score. So no success, no. So success, Chima, PB, 2 yardom. And you know, PB near film bafo. That's no shit. You know, you're right back and I film bafo and the yardom, and I said. Just a film about for to say you know the yardom now. Also success. Also our $25 million. What's our $25 million? It's in safe hands. Yes, I don't know. Don't Ghana will qualify. Hey, some. Kobe Hassan tells you the $25 million should be used to up our league, women's football, and other sporting disciplines in the country. And you know, and also the end of the year, I say, okay, Kobe Ichim, 1 most points accumulated, 2 goal difference, 3 goals for. They are the main 3. Okay. I think we didn't nice one, guys. I know I and I could feel encouragement on monitor from afar. That be answer no at me. I come. Right, the messages about me. Who yana Bumbi and Mammy. Senior on duty, Mammy. Quick one. Never share a local league. No, no. Okay.
Eka kra ewo we ni ntwam na South Africa match nso ege kaka mebusa ni se ehun hia kra se qualify ko World Cup na
obisa hina
yebisa na mebisa
obisa hina
Ghana fu hina
so ya Ghana ni
ntina mebisa wo
so ya Ghana ni dia betu mebisa
wo dia betu wo ntia mebisa se ehun hia na
ade na ehun hia se yesu amana ye ntia wo baby ni enkobobo
sa
ehun hia se ye beko
okay na boys na ready to be qualify na ege ntia mebisa sa ni se ye nyina de ye hope ene mebia I prepare say bibia be ma qualify bia no the GFA has done. Yo GFA no any one kasa. Enti wo hwe nra ball a ye boy ase na ye na ye kan first half na ball no tema go ni ba wie no Ghana was there dictating the pitch, but I mean when you see in second half you second half minimum sam coach ni won ko kan me ku see but you do second half no baka se wo ka se wo abre ball no ball no kura enko just one pass and ye. That's a obia bre. Now I don't know why. Now ball na ye bono. Ege bibia wo mubi. Ball bibia.
Ghana already anana ai Hansi Flick. Ghana post to be after so share. Ai 9-0 no.
Yeah.
Also 1-1 who match no so. Also Germany and who game no so was a poor performance from Germany.
I will watch 9 no.
I said 9-0 also.
Wait, so what I say? 9.
Let's just start. I said 9-0 was a poor performance. 9-0 no.
So what I say? Okay. Boy aye bono bibia wo bi. Na me bra pan ka say. Boy no kura na ye ko boy South Africa kura nsem wo. Because me hu ni entia. I say 2 teams and now 4 teams say na yele pray for World Cup. Na say me kuro munya. Me boy babo wo kuro.
Send it Kumunya. So all right. All right, so
I don't know what message am babo Zimbabwe.
There's no be chere be oba kobo.
And I mechira won, I want some na make kan.
I didn't go bo Zimbabwe.
That didn't go bo South Africa.
There be so to me more 2 places, 1 place. You don't be decided say no
more.
Last season Ghana Premier League, Tamakodoko was going to win ball baba. So when you decide this over ball was.
Match as you
na go ko ball am ball Accra na.
I didn't mechira say. E ball na ye ball bibia mu bi. Inti no say one look sharp be look. Sana ball na tenen. Because ye na ye nim say ball na ye boy South Africa na ebo. The most dangerous team and I say teams are April to qualify no Ghana and South Africa. Now, na me busa question say are you ready to qualify and say okay South Africa we are qualify for World Cup you.
Oh, they say Obi and no qualify for World Cup.
Yeah.
Senegal money Algeria and one qualify.
Yeah, Obi and qualify. Nenti me bisa san. Nenti me bisa san say ball a yem boy si eboy. Ah determination what about ball no e low. E form. Obetime gina South Africa, obetime ko gina Senegal no, obetime gina Cameroon no, be ko gina Egypt no because wo hwe ball na wo bona. Who say performance in what form, confidence in what form. I don't know why. But okay, remember South Africa match and so yemre fie. Say be qualify na yem qualify. Say na ye can destiny kura yan kasa. But mitimi nim say na me ka ball bibia wo mu no. Nka me pese South Africa ye no wo ball na wia kete 1 o'clock. But we share Ghana we na we akwase 7. If you South Africa fo. Dey jam kasa. Share tema na ye na Egypt tell ko World Cup no. Ye hu se na Egypt gina ne nanso. South Africa na place wo ho. Ewia kete woni ba so na ya 16. O dimi mo. Yes, South Africa ko o ko won kroma. Woni mu time a woni u gina no ba ebe nya fet wo so.
I say won ewia nyina wo.
Okay. What how bon match saying?
When
they are cool with more than 1 time they will play.
No, but they will play the way they will play. But they will get infected in our
you know one ball the first leg. You are more than your fan.
You bought the time you bought 3 for now.
I'm okay on the most serious. I just don't understand.
Why?
You bought a Zimbabwe. You are more than your fan. Yebo first
Ethiopia.
So why
yes I'm more South Africa AFCON qualify. I don't see any South Africa. Yebo na no you.
And you born and
Cape Coast.
Yes,
yes
2-0. They play ball.
Oh no, South Africa didn't see a version. Yebo
but
I know so will qualify to the playoff and even to the World Cup. So just say performance of the team they say improving. Yes, because World Cup on a bigger stage. Yeah.
To qualify to World Cup on another round, but to qualify from your group, you know, is any win here.
We will score South Africa and qualify. I'm telling you. We will score. I believe in the
problem.
I know, so we will score South Africa here.
Yeah,
here.
Mini problem. Okay, miss any minute. And then say, boys now ready to qualify. There mini problem. So why ready to qualify? There mini problem because one year share no. Who's na Ghana for? Tell my coach Milo Bano. When you need to. Who's na Ghana for Murano? Commander last year then. Edi ball neti. And na ball yakwa say. Until me say to qualify no remember Sahab Murano say back. Okay. Boys the way I was born no. You best 1 more minute so.
Okay.
Yes, that one.
Okay.
1 more minute so because say no boy ide. You look go beti mabo. Oh, okay, me nada.
Watch out.
What ya the kitu au.
Okay, obeti mabo. Okay. Bola boy.
The only professional football I bought was when I was in school. Asa.
Okay, what you must have ball.
To me more.
Oh, okay.
I am footballer. Yeah, meet my no. Ana meet my no.
But boy heading oh.
Yeah, meet my no.
Boy ya di.
Obeti mabo.
Oh, what me a trainer?
And you yet obeti mabo.
Beti mabo sa bola boy.
It's me boy.
Okay, bola boy. Ah, what you bola kwa pass ko yanko.
I best one dey job bro so one dey share.
Okay. Bola boy.
My brother say adu kwaku. Say Adu Kwaku, senior Adu Kwaku, senior rather, senior Adu Kwaku. I say, okay, with this our performance, we can score South Africa. Oh, minia. You do come off here, Ghana Premier League, quick one. We'll be at 2 minutes. The Ghana Premier League, you know. But over to the WhatsApp message, any SMS about 0270 191 971 0270 191 971, and I said 0551 667755 0551 667755 or about yes you can come Facebook or drop your commenter don't say Facebook why is argument and of so Facebook one of my option and then crop biamo and success argument and of so we see qualify we see qualify that why is monitor show no and so on and the Cyprus for no Bedu and say Cyprus for monitor show no and so on Sarah Fabula monitor show no from London yes also monitor show no Grace Obede right down for no Grace Obede also a monitor from Vicenza Italy and also monitor show and I say I'm focus so it's South Africa will qualify it's South Africa will qualify what's in the line yes any area yes Ghana Premier League Papa Fresh yes Ghana Premier League yes who time no yes Ghana Premier 2 minutes and I got call any BBN go start in less than I think your baby 50 minutes 50 minutes to start the game. Ghana Premier League.
Okay, A.K.A, I think Kotoko now they're almost 100% record. And I'm happy for Prosperity. I think Ojani team beat say Kotoko and I say has na near my year the amawa or tactics no be I think any journey then. So I'm happy for him. Okay. And I wish the way I Kotoko Ebono. But the only problem I've been complaining about late goals Ebano. But coach say anyadi ono obuhu. Now I reach mu say obetimi atoto ne mayi. Na goals no abantem. Sana be ya yam hihia ni niema anko eden. And I'm happy for him and the guys no. We share new boys before the start of the season. And some be bring aye kan efa team no players dodoa coach ni toye be edu numo say edu nine no. I think say ni ayeka nyina no coach na approve any guys na approve Ghana for nyina wrong and we share how guys no esia kan of forward or play utumu say ahun prepare nim na me compare o mu game back no utumu say players no still no say go kra ma no mo ware shemu so mbe den go ni be ba
editors na ba yeah for more editors na ba o so
o mo ware shemu say go ni be ba enti we share how o mo to o mo bo put on passes together. Kwan omo fa so SH forward na things guys no me ball my bass omo ya there. And then you against Bibiani Gold Stars. Gold Stars and so and already can the abasa supporters near ma say 102B. And because Gold Stars and so my imagine say Premier League no you home no. I ho ekwa no go area until Obana say we are supporter bi na and Ghana how are your football nete o share how are home supporters no sometimes how are omo petty mo no name ma bi etesi na I think say nshada anya wan bisa and I hope say in 24 the near about 2 years security man no because now no GFA president ekoshia IGP and any din komo for Ghana ekwan be fa so ama ye venues no etimi I save man crofo akohwe game ntia na nwumre ye hwe nim say 3 p.m. no ye be witness a very good game because Kotoko eko without luso game no I think say game no be she but we share performance of late Kotoko 2 matches normal than edina I think say still no more show and with the experience no more Ghana Premier League now Go Stars we omo year as a first yini omaba Premier League no and we share Kotoko experience
Go Stars Bobby ada
Bobby be no dey ache eke eno ache enti we share fit time omo ba yi deda da yenya na asem enti omo ba as a newly promoted team no I think say still Kotoko was sure am betimi aden we need an enyumre game no by Go Stars we share how omo say ho kwakwa no go area no do Kotoko was sure ne there maybe if they can do anything to be betimi anya draw bi by enyumre be bobe 5 na I think say Kotoko betimi I carry the day no
Kotoko no
me nye Kotoko ni me pure house ni me pure house by team ne dia eko ya eki we say oka eko because also oka because median dia no kura wo mu say median dia coach
still on duty mami tio Ghana Premier League Kotoko mu gina kono awia 3
see no mo busa se obedi ahen na wo pe ne ya busa wo ti na abeka ne ya dia ma fefefe
njoe no mboma wan
o si abusa won but wo say no wo ma wo ho mo ayobu mo say wo be hye but we say ball no ebe fantastic game anything that supporters na dey crash no we say from last season by this season we say Ghana Premier League no we say speed abem we say ahunka abem we say anija abem until say boys ne bobo kura enye small dey na make say we say this season na Bibiani Gold Stars first division na wa bad Premier League nim but we share the way ya Bibiani Gold Stars bobo na we say they are good because 2 matches 4 points and you're bad so what I say until no we say ball na wo no wani abre one aim ni say obeka Premier League nim na sinyame kura makwankura wotimi de wonside den aka Premier League no but we share ball na wo na boys ni are ready say we be until no ne match na nya somo mum de but AK say na medical aka no ukuma apem beba
ya ba ne ya busa so ahin na abedi de say ope 2 a ne ya de attach ne ya de ama wo ope 3 a ne ya de attach ne ya de ama wo nti no enya de ball ne be hard but bibia ni go stars obekoma enya de beti my possible yenti am ka san say kotoko pese wo je Premier League na wo ka wo pese wo je this na teams nketewa no ene wo se ya hye won teams nketewa no go bibia ni go star no ene won bechemu no ne ade ne wo ne wo se ya hye won
okay
enti no ene match ne ye match a ye kwa ko lusu na ye kwa se ye kujeja ye ho match ne de mu be yedin min Canada eke mu be yedin
all right
but ebe kwa wie ne de na okumu apem beba no ya kale de kofie
all right I know senior on duty then somebody to Jana editors no kwa no abanti no amane ya mfia am kwa kotie what my problem 0270 191971 0270 191971 and that's 0551 667755 0551 667755 also with my problem Rawami o thoughts on a Ghana Premier League but mami feel be our answer
hello Nana
Abinawa
hi
Abinawa we are fine
nyame adom me ho yeto
aropa ne sia di nkoma anti no
metemu ndi me bo adwuma ama o man na ne okwape man
sa ewe man ti
yo Nana Kenya mini blasters no and now can like the attitude of the players are utumi say when your ball cry would mean to me can fa ball no e ma wunia to be su dia baby a utumi say or if free so woman the passer when player the person on yankasa shoot na o se na o beji ni din ana se bibisa se anhwe sa na ma we na yentumi antutu ye na ma yi na ka se South Africa de ye be show mo Ghana what possession Ghana what is now Ethiopia ahead of Ghana I was shocked to see that thing say pass Ethiopia boboa na ball possession che the one possession ball na to the say you need the Ghana ya ball the passes here and cover there against South Africa a match we say it because one who CAF president now or South Africa obepese ne man boko World Cup we it is say you want to say oh referee even though after expose no what is the referee now I careful but to play against CAF president team party who delete when be ban also no offside crowd or betu dia show now one ma go na stand the other to any man any fan go it is wrong you win match yes adia me more match no physically and then spiritually you fan to me win yes adia you be the end of croyo me na azinana
Abinawa me so me da say obetimi afraba 0270 191971 0270 191971 and I say 0551 667755 hello
good afternoon
fire
why Kwabi college
oh Kwabi
Kwabi
are fine meto nkana ache
Ejago kitiwa ejago
aye mami ti o
no me da want me pa mo ye di baga na man ye blaster no me fi say blaster ye hian academy ade ko say me kan sa ni say o hwe nkofo ye we mo bo ya ye players mo bo eni so mo abrochi bo mo bo a masa ye ti mo di no we nye say ko World Cup ye njai ba we for no mo ko World Cup no ne ye fast coach bi ba bia no ye fa onya ni first level blaster team B ana on fa onya ni call up blaster team B say team si wo ebia say wo be hihye schedule yes be league schedule omun ebia every month dia na omun ja be one Sunday wo mo fa for the match say the international break ya ba say so omun ja be say 3 days and 4 days wo na say omun international break ya when mo champion qualifier series nothing be no na di mu call Europe Edgar Mudi London Arsenal Chelsea ne ye sa ne mo no ne ye nya ya academy that's anya academy yin san ko for ye no mutu o muso amasa obian ho a obe support blaster dio me che ha so folk for nyina
yes I say all right obetumi afraba 0270 191971 0270 191971 and that's 0551 667755 0551 667755. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes. But you didn't be afraid.
Etimo Kasafi Royal Johnson.
Master Timo, we be fine.
Yami Adam Boko na Mozwe.
But you mind you.
Yo. That's na American say. Last time the day you ni na di team na boss. Monsa mo moshu. Minim de ntia won timi ja won. Some place won timi you won timi nim de ntia. The day you pray number 10 days into you could just Wednesday. Or some prayer the captain man. After badly and after una mo show. Which me mobile non cover ya. Is a Galafunia where the pilot Galafunia. So be a something for no your calculation. Be a to know all your calculation. And the time of a coach in a Mustidio, I'm okay to go off South Coach and also $100,000.
Have you or not?
Muka. You know, one group project coach. Any. You have to you will show good luck. Boom. Now, you didn't cover the Yamisha. Bye.
Yamisha, Master Timo, or say also Ultimate Freight. Wait to me from 0551667755. 055. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bacho. Didn't be afraid.
Good afternoon, Walker.
Oh, bro, be fine.
And Adam now say.
Jacopo Adam, young mind you.
Mobile. Then last day, I asked him, and now I your boy a second of a miracle. But Nina thinks, under 20 now, ain't me Yajuman because no Shanka under 24 year Juma ya over boy one uncle will be promoting about Blaster. She said, you two me 9 year Juma. Ain't Debia Siana be Medinka, yes, Mumma, because you better World Cup, not Germany for 9. Belgium machine bear 18 had it, a tongue, a bear the uncle, young train, now at least 40 years be away in the fancy team because this year team ninja.
All right. And you know, I know a power cup. And I'll tell you, cast on to my friend. Rock my too.
Yo, senior. Mame,
I feel you. Hello. Good afternoon. But you didn't maybe afraid.
I'm Junior John from
What you say?
My name is John.
Okay, John. Let's hear you.
The Blaster, I don't know. They have self-free play too much. Except when you look at that yesterday, the ball they played there, no, everything is now, but they like to play selfish. You see? So they should calm down so that the Ghana will move forward. If not, that we won't go anywhere.
Okay. All right. Thanks for your submission. And you know, I know John on the sweat to me for a Zina, I'm into it.
Yerbe Fieno, Mede Abasbo, Casibema, Coach Prosperity. Unse Unipaya idea. Osaye.
All right, Mamifa, last caller, and then wrap you up. Hello,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby afraid for you.
Your friend Lampard.
Champion Lampard. Every man to you.
Original. So. Mr. Mweti, I mean, maybe to say one thing here and Blaster. When you say slow starters, but me here and say, time the person never qualify any alcohol. Junior Richard say, consider the at least 3 goals today. You meet me at South Africa for no. May I qualify. May I quote today. We receive good luck. So we have a share 2 goals today, man. And I want to say.
Yes, that's it. Lampard and you know, no, but Ghana winning against South Africa. I think just say I qualify to the World Cup. If we ball playoff, and Sana, let me I qualify to the World Cup. And you know, Rock I'm with you.
Yo, I mekan. Me say, me ball Coach Prosperity Ogum. Baso. Before the start of the league, we say Kotoko was in crisis. If your players are Efi Kotoko, na Kukudam, Felisana Inom, one before the Okobechiwi,
Latifa,
Anabila, one center back here our dream see
Habib Mohammed.
Habib who say team no was in shambles, but Oba at the time it was not even so early. To me, the Pulu strains to new players. It is too early, but he's done a good job. We need to credit him with that. Why are they? I'm saying Kotokomura was true. Fitness wise, they are fit. They are playing very well. If it doesn't go in the favor of Kotokwa, may sure say the worst for Kotoko can be draw if they don't win. But my me darling club across the folk. So I won't hear pa consider any Adriana, and we can't play Adriana anytime than this time. We say Adriana so ako crisis mu or tenefie first match. Kinfesa Okwa away
the first game.
Kodi yo na Kinfesa be me an 3-1. Until I think say it's a perfect time for us to play. And Oshebola has to folk rebel, and I still hold my stance say has to folk a greater chance of winning the league because core of the team near then e wo ho Oshebola Moroba still SWNI against Wafa. They played very well against Legon City. Ultimate say keeper Krenya man of the match, you know. A certain Ofurenchi the studio be a general between House of Folk and the victory. Inti, I think say Kwesida Nyame Adoma has beat me and the first 3 points for this league game now with my mount to challenge. Inti American senior.
All right, and I bring into no health a friend advice no and to me but Monday we can in a woman afin so no to me and back etimi ama yen etiefo wa yen na beja for say senior on duty what's in Kasa so na papa the fresh, yes, papa the fresh ono so what's in ka ana fin so no bra Kwame Serega and so me am senior me fitness coach no kakra fi ma sha say ono so abua ama Jumedin etimi by yakwa me o say me o say fresh kapa, yes, fresh kapa bro o say happy birthday and me what ba na me you know whatever too many once I them many whatever too many me fresh kapa bro and any birthday Okoman radio ye nyina wo say no happy birthday sounds so that mama we say Prophet Dr. Bernard Owusu Ansa, Prophet Dr. Bernard Owusu Ansa, honorary head pastor Edema Charismatic Anointing Ministries International, La Paz Race Course. Prophet Dr. Bernard Owusu Ansa, you wish an happy birthday in advance. And so wifi Sarah Sebo here, and always say on one sofo, Reverend Prophet Dr. Bernard Owusu Ansa, you wish no happy birthday in advance. Yakupon Sha Rev. Na fin so no onyane kase papa meba fie Sarah dem beba na yedin komo nti I no yerbesi yenda etiefo na ahwefo nyina se mo am follow on Facebook yenda mas YouTube and Twitter Instagram munya yenda mas DJ Tony DJ Zigibi make sure say Jumedi no ebitimi akọ so the writer what in Castle de local tidbit and so by na now courage man producer extraordinaire and so boy Jeff Akufuboating and so no boy match dom sounds so na na Kwame Mpere A.K.A. The Phynest and make sure say Jumedi no and so ebitimi aba pa kwesi AJ and so no monitor show no from afar and I think so kwesi citizen osi eke we so no so we monitor bibia and also our kwesi na incha Stanley a teacher ni our Kuse Methodist. No teacher ni a taxi driver to breaker. No to taxi no na akobo adwuma kakra. Stanley situation no yenche akuse government hospital nurses ni nyina yenche wo nyina fi kwesi age citizen ho no see yenye entino yerbesi Monday ebesia na ebo mukche so say Ghana Premier League weekend ye ne 3 p.m. bepe Koroko Ekwa away to Bibian Go Stars. Sanson or China matches in Betwa. So Sunday had to folk against the Diana Stars and so the Nations Wembley. Nina Monday at Nasia, the results on League Table no and go king chat updates in Nina and so a bit to me about meeting and then Kwame Mpere A.K.A to my friend A.K.A. And Yamepa Monday, yes, I'm Bessia. Muchum.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again.